Once Docker is installed and running on your system, we are able to see the output of the Docker by using the following command. First, open your command prompt and now enter Docker. This command will output a list with all the options available for the Docker command together with a short description as well. Next, we were going to check out Docker version. Then simply use Docker version. The output gives you detailed information about the installed version of Docker. It will say this is our 20.10.0. Now we are going to select an image from the Docker hub and we pulling that image and running a container of it. Now simply go to the hub.docker.com. It will redirect you to the Docker hub website, and before searching any image you first have to make a ID of yours by and sign in into Docker hub website and then search a Nginx image. Now it will give you a following command, so you can just copy paste this command into your local directory, then it will pull the Nginx image for you. So by default I didn't specify any tag, so it will use the latest tag for seeing what kind of image that I download. Then you can use the following command, docker images. It will list down all the images that you have. It says that I have one Nginx image with this is image ID, and actually I have some timing issue, that's why it gave me this 2 weeks ago timing, and the size of this image is 133. Now what we are doing, we are running this Nginx image. And one more thing guys, and if you go into description, or you can click this image, then it will give you a detailed overview of the version of this image and how this links and this image is generating by using Docker files. So a Docker file is a text document that contains all the commands you would normally execute manually in order to build a Docker image. Docker can build images automatically by reading the instructions from the Docker file. So this is the links of your Docker files. So this is the structure of Docker file, that how it is look like. These were in the form of some instruction. This is base image, these were labels and all. Now back to the command prompt and run docker run. The docker run command lets you run any Docker image as a container. In this command we were using /it for executing the container in interactive mode, and for /p AT by using the /p option we were connecting the internal port 80 of the container to the external port 80. Then we use /p8080. By using the /p option, we were connecting the internal port 80 of the container to our external port 80. Because the Nginx server by default is running on 80 port, we were then able to send HTTP request to the server from our local machine by opening a simple URL